people. Thank you very much for 25,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. I remember when I first started this little channel, I was hoping to get 1,000. So brilliant. Thanks for enjoying the films and being part of this community. And just to reiterate, the whole point of this channel is, first of all, to do subjects which aren't on TV, and second, to start a discussion. The difference between TV and YouTube is I can explore a subject and you can comment. And quite often I've done follow-ups because you've sent me amazing information. So to give you something back, I thought you might like to win a copy of Professor Simon's new feature-length documentary. It's called Out of the Night, and it's a film about World War II here in France and a secret mission of American commandos who were the first troops into this part of France. So here's how it's going to work for the competition. I'm going to set you a quiz question, and the first person with the correct answer, send me your name and full postal address, and I'll mail you a copy of Out of the Night. Very exclusive. It's got limited cinema release, but it's currently not on Amazon or Netflix, so I hope you enjoy it. Although the film is in French, the DVD has English subtitles, or French or none, up to you. So here's the question. The American commandos flew to France in a converted World War II bomber from a base called Harrington in the east of England. The question is, what type of aircraft did they mainly use? Good luck, and see everybody for 50,000 subscribers. Whoopee! Bye.